Hello friend, today we will start 12th standard lesson number 6 superposition of wave as per new syllabus. Here at first we discuss about what is mean by wave. Wave is a disturbance which is produced due to vibration of particles in the medium. That means wave is an oscillatory disturbance propagated through a medium without change in form. Without change in form means if that wave is in the form of light wave, it can propagate in the same form. If that wave is in the form of sound wave, it can propagate in the form of sound wave. There is no change in form of that wave. There are three types of wave: one dimensional wave, two dimensional wave, and three dimensional wave. One dimensional wave is a wave disturbance traveling along a single direction. It is called one dimensional wave. For example, string wave. If we have seen that one end of the string is fixed with the rigid support and second end of the string is in our hand and we have to jerk that string, there is the formation of waves, and that waves are called as the string waves, and that is the example of one dimensional wave. Second type is two dimensional wave. For example, a ripple on water surface. Have you seen ripples created on the surface of water when a stone is dropped in it? The water is displaced where the stone actually falls in the water. The disturbance slowly spread and distant particles get disturbed from their position of rest. Then third type is three-dimensional wave. Wave disturbance which originates from a source and spreads in all directions in space is called three-dimensional wave. For example, radio waves. Then next we have to discuss here wave motion. It is an oscillatory disturbance traveling through an elastic medium due to transfer of energy from one particle to another particle. And also here we have to discuss two types of waves, that are mechanical waves and non-mechanical waves. A wave which require material medium for their propagation, that are called as the mechanical waves. For example, sound wave, water waves, string waves, that all waves require material medium for its propagation. That's why that are the mechanical waves. Second type is non-mechanical waves. Non-mechanical waves do not require material medium for its propagation. It can propagate through vacuum. For example, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are the example of non-mechanical waves. But in this lesson, we have to study about mechanical waves only. That mechanical waves can be transferred from that particle, that energy can be transferred from one particle to another particle. That means that waves cannot standing waves or stationary waves, that can continuously in progress. That's why it also called as progressive waves. A wave which transfer energy through a medium continuously in the same direction without change in form, without any damping and obstruction from one particle to another, is a progressive wave or traveling wave. That progressive wave having two types, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. That two types we will discuss that two types after some time. At first we have to discuss here properties or characteristics of that progressive waves. That progressive waves, first characteristic of progressive wave is it continuously advances in same directions. That progressive waves continuously advances in same direction. Second, when a progressive wave travel through a medium, the particle of medium perform vibration about their mean position. Third characteristic is that The vibration of particle are simple harmonic. Therefore, that type of wave is also called as simple harmonic progressive wave. In progressive wave, amplitude, frequency of all particles of medium are same. And last property is that in a transfer, that progressive wave are of two types, that are transverse waves and longitudinal waves. In a transverse wave, vibrations of particles, suppose this is the direction of propagation, and vibration of particles are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave, as and produce crest and trough, as like this one is the part of crest and this one is the part of trough. That means in transverse wave there is the propagation of wave, there is produced crest and trough in their medium of travel. In longitudinal wave, vibrations of particle produce compression and rarefaction along the direction of propagation of wave. Both the transverse as well as longitudinal mechanical waves can propagate through solids, but only longitudinal waves can propagate through fluids. That means it can propagate through liquid and gaseous also. Then here we have to see that in the diagram you have given this is the amplitude of the wave. That what do you mean by that amplitude? The maximum displacement of a vibrating particle in the path of the wave from its mean position. That means this is the maximum displacement from its mean position. That displacement, maximum displacement of vibrating particle is called as the amplitude, and the SI unit of that amplitude is centimeter or meter and centimeter. Then second term is here time period. That time can be given here, that is time period. The time taken by vibrating particle to complete a to and fro motion or one vibration in the path of wave is called time period. And second is the SI unit for that time period, and it can be denoted by capital T. Then frequency is denoted by small n, and that frequency is the number of vibrations of particle of the medium in unit time, and the formula for frequency is n is equals to 1 by t. That means frequency having the reciprocal of time period t. Then wavelength, here wavelength can be shown, that wavelength lambda, it is the distance between two successive vibrating particles in the path of motion which are exactly in the same phase. Meter is the SI unit for that wavelength lambda. So here student, we have to discuss what is mean by wave, different types of waves, then superposition of wave, then progressive waves, its characteristics and its types, transverse waves and longitudinal wave. In next lecture we will discuss a reflection of transverse waves and reflection of longitudinal waves. Thank you. Thank you again.